We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet P4015dn. So it's pretty simple. You want to go to your little touchpad, hit OK. Then you want to go down until you see info. Then you're going to go down until you see print status supply page, hit OK, then it should start printing that page. You can find useful information on here, such as the original toner install date, how many copies you printed on it, and so much more information. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.